How to link EA account to Twitch. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can link EA account to Twitch, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to link your EA account to Twitch, first of all open up your browser. Now you have to go to ea.com/Twitch linkin. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below as well. So when you go to ea.com/Twitch linkin, you're going to be able to land on this website. First, make sure that you sign in with your EA account, and if it asks you to sign in with, let's say, your Twitch account, then make sure you go ahead and then do that as well. So confirm that this is the EA account that you want to link to this Twitch account here, and then here you'll find these options, and you can just tap the link accounts option to link those accounts respectively. This way you can link EA account to Twitch. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.